How to contact Epson support. There are different ways to contact Epson support, depending on your location and the type of product you have. Here are some of the options you can try. Call the toll-free number, 1-800-GO-EPSON, 1-800-463-7766. Visit the official homepage, https://epson.com/?re=1. You can find drivers, manuals, FAQs, warranty information, and more on these sub-websites. Locate an authorized service center to find the nearest service center for your product. Learn more. 1. Contact us Epson Hong Kong. https://epson.com/contact-us. 2. Epson registered official support. https://epson.com/support/sl/s.